Well, COVID cases in Indiana, they are putting hospitals in a dangerous spot. Around 2,500 Hoosiers are hospitalized with COVID right now. That's double the numbers that we saw just last month. Now, 70% of staffed inpatient beds are full, according to the Department of Health and Human Services. Now, and unlike the spike last winter, many healthcare systems have fewer workers because of burnout.
A lot are on diversion. A lot of nurses and doctors are working extra long shifts and working a lot more. And, we're really risking burning them out even further as we go into, this next wave here.
So experts say 99% of new cases are the Delta variant, but the Omicron variant is spreading fast and is already confirmed in 19 states. NBC's Sam Brock has more on this variant and the fear of a winter surge nationwide.
Just as it felt like we were making progress on cutting down on the number of cases of COVID-19, new figures right now show the United States is over 100,000 new infections per day, with concerns that the Omicron variant could add fuel to that fire. Florida is potentially a cautionary tale here, as in mid-June, there were a few cases of the Delta variant detected. By early August, hospitals were flooded. And right now, many other cities want to try to avoid that fate. New York City specifically coming out with a sweeping mandate. Mayor Bill de Blasio calling for mandatory vaccines for all private sector workers that are in person, which is some 184,000 businesses affected, up to 3.6 million workers. The concern there is they want to try to get in front of an issue that could explode, although certainly we've seen legal battles play out in New York specifically over mandatory vaccines for teachers and healthcare workers. This could be the latest chapter. We're also learning more information this morning about an outbreak on a cruise ship that left the state of Louisiana that had some 17 cases tied to it. Norwegian Cruise Lines now saying that there was a handful of asymptomatic cases and that potentially one of the crew members who had isolated from South Africa had the Omicron variant. At this point in time, roughly a third of the states in this country, over that actually, the latest being Texas, have reported at least one case of the variant. In Miami, Sam Brock, NBC News.